Nazdreg Ug Erdgrub is a warlord of the Badmoons clan. A well-rich warboss who makes his teeth as a pirate. This flashy git loves raiding Umi supply lines to fill his pockets with nosh. His custom shooter, known as the Blaster X, firing plasma with shocking accuracy. His boys armed with well-dug shooters and choppers. His cunning is so gog that he speaks fluent Gothic and keeps loads of Umis as workers to help his Gretchen in their tasks. Never wanting to lead a war, cause he might lose some of his stuff, Nazdreg is happy to let Ghazghkull Mag Uruk Thraka lead the Great War, helping him if he's paid well enough. Bullying his mechs to create ever weirder stuff like the teleporters made by his underling, Archimedes. After many attempts, Nazdreg's boys use them on the world of Piskina 4 to fight the Beakies known as the Dark Angles. Helping Gaz during the Third War for Armageddon using his Space Hulk, Ognosdreg, Garg the Slagulk, which the Umis called Skeela, to teleport his boys to the surface. Nazdreg fled from the system before they could hurt him. Retreating to the Abyssus sector during 998.M41, underworld of Charakis, Nazdreg forced the conquered Umis into labor pens, offering them both punishment and reward for good work. Crash landed his Space Hulk on the world of Medusa 4, ordering his boys to gather all the scrap they could carry. Having been spat from the warp, even this slippery warboss knew he couldn't survive the warp storms which soon ate up the planet. Escaping Medusa 5 after a good scrap with the locals, though the Umis managed to disable his Space Hulk, Nazdreg escaped using the captured ship, Minnow, using a fake distress call for a pickup by the battleship Terra's Defiance. Boarding the ship and crumping the crew, Nazdreg and his boys are still roaming the stars aboard their pilfered battleship. When hearing of the War of Daka, Nazdreg couldn't resist the call of more flash. Fighting alongside enclaves, Nazdreg assimilated the leadership Orc Empire of Alsanta into his tribe. Commander Longsight, invading the Orc capital of Dregog, hoping to kill Nazdreg. Stopping the warboss from using his ship's telefraggers to burn the worlds of Damocles, Nazdreg and his battle fortress, known as Git Crusher, was swallowed by a portal with the crumping of its shock projectors, never to be seen again. No one knows where Nazdreg's gone since, but maybe Mork has a special plan in mind for this cunning warboss. Either way, I don't care, cause he's not sharing none of his teeth with me, is he?